What's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today's video I'm gonna answer a question. Is it possible to make money online or start a business or start whatever online and have no technical knowledge? Don't know how to do nothing, Nathan. You don't know how to set a landing page up, you know how to set a blog up, YouTube channel up. Is it possible to learn that stuff? And can you start one without that knowledge? And the answer is hell yeah. I am a proof to that. And I didn't know nothing about anything online. And my first course was Google Sniper, and Google Sniper taught you to create sniper sites. You create these little mini blogs and you post content on it. And the good thing about that is that Google Sniper taught me how to start a website. So it showed me how to get a good hosting company, how to set up a website. So it was a really good program. But I didn't know how to set up a blog or a YouTube channel, or I don't know how to move things around my website, or how to run paid ads. I didn't know how to none of that stuff. And you can always learn from YouTube. You can always go to read blog posts. You go look at YouTube videos. I mean, anything. If you want to set up a blog, you can put it on YouTube. You go to YouTube, type in how to set up a blog, and it'll show you how to do it. So anything you want to learn how to do it online, you can get that done. You can get that. Just look it up. And it depends on what you want to do online. You want to start a website. That's not hard. It was a YouTube channel. You just go to Google and go to YouTube and start a channel. I mean, and then you start posting content, and then you learn. You go as you learn too. You keep learning. You keep on doing it, and keep learning. Keep on doing it, and like how's I gonna say it? Don't keep learning. Just learn one thing and do it. Learn one thing and do it. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Once you learn how to set up a YouTube channel, you set it up. Then you go to stage 2. Stage 2 is upload the video. So it's very easy. Anybody could learn how to do it. If you know how to write an email, you can make money online. That's how easy it is. So I wouldn't even worry about the technical stuff. You can learn that on the way. That's what I do. I learn things on the way, and then doing it for 4 years, I'm still learning stuff. I'm still learning stuff every day. It's an ongoing grind. So you can always learn. You can always find new things. You can always learn. So just learn the basics. Learn how to set up something, how to post content, and if you know how to write an email, if you know how to write a Facebook post, you can run an online business. It's that simple. It's that simple. So it's not hard at all. So the answer to the question, yes. Can you do no technical knowledge? Yes. Yes, 100%. And now it's getting easier and easier to do certain things. Now you can just upload a YouTube video from your cell phone. I mean, it's getting easier and easier now to do stuff. You could do with Bluehost. You could sell a blog in one click. You go to the install WordPress, one click, it'll do it for you. You create username and password, and you're done. And then these themes for blogs are getting easier. So things are getting easier to do. So yeah, it's way easier to back now than there was back then. So editing software, like video editing software, is getting easier and easier to make it making it user friendly. So to answer the question, yes. Can you make money online? You say like my grandma want to make money online. Let's say she wants to start a website. It's not that hard. It's very easy. If she wants to start a YouTube channel or write an ebook, I mean, nowadays it's easy. Nowadays it's getting easier and easier and easier to do things because they want the user experience easier. So to answer the question, yes, you can do it. Just take your time, pick one thing, master that one thing, and go and then do step by step. First step is to buy a domain. Okay. Second step is get hosting. Third step, fourth step. If you keep doing that over and over again, you start to learn it. And then the good thing about this stuff is once you learn it, you don't forget it. Then once you learn how to set a blog, it's easier. And once you learn how to do a YouTube channel and do videos, it's easy. So it don't take long to learn it. Once you learn how to move around your blog, you just keep the information. And YouTube got millions of videos on how to do certain things with the blog. You can type in your blog your blog's name and see what comes up and who the video about it. But yes, to answer the question, yes, it's totally possible. And I'll just give it a shot, because you can do it. You can make a lot of money with an online business. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video. I'm about to getting off work. But I'll pick up my son today, and we're gonna spend time with him, and then that's it. Just create videos every day at work, write content, push out content all the time. My name is Ty, and my blog is DasKane.com. Thanks for watching.